Okay. Lucky or unlucky? Interesting. I'm lucky. Woo. Let's go! I won! Oh yeah! Quickly, get to the top. I don't want to die. Let's go! Also, if y'all didn't know, I got it. Tell me how you like my emote. Oh yeah. What is that? Why did I do this? I mean, I kind of did it. I kind of did it, okay? I died and it kind of respawned me, so does that count? Yes. Say yes! I get up the base. I'm following someone. I'm following people. I don't know why. I'm following. I'm not good at okay. Let's go. She has the right path, I think. Hopefully. Let's go. Dang it! No! 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 The map is squeezing! Ow! No! Ow! No! Okay, I'm just gonna sit there, okay? My remote just fell. If y'all can hear me. Da, da, da. No! No! I died. What I'm trying to get? I'm not editing the video until I get this. Okay? I'm not ending the video until I get that. Avoiding someone. Oh. How was I supposed to do that? That's impossible. Yeah, I'm going this way. Bye bye. No, it's a fire! If y'all are wondering what that is in the background, just watching these videos. How is that possible? Click the button. Come on, bro. Where's my prize? Where's my prize? Where's my prize? Get to the finish line. No, 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 yeah. I lose this attack? I played it before. I played this game. I love this game. One of my OGs. Sorry if you can't hear me. Y'all probably can't even hear that if y'all can't even hear me. Recommend you wear some headphones if you can at least barely hear me. No! Bro! Stop looking at dying me. I'm not gonna die. I literally helped. leave. Oh, he let's go. Thank you. What are the chances of it making? What is it? No, I feel so bad for oh, right there, they have no clue. If that thing dies, whoever's over there, yeah. Bro, no, no, no. Why? I wish I would wait for you so I could show you my reaction. But no, we gotta not do. Thank you. Nobody deserves to die. How are you? How did I just die? Where's my seat? Where's my seat? Thank you for the seat. Now we're gonna stand this way. There's a lot of sound in this. Put your ear to your device that you're using. Unless you're on the TV. You can. Yes, I'm running. I'm running to the truck. I'm running with the truck. Watch out for that. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I ever doubted you. Hey, you don't got to hurt me. Don't 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 hurt me. Look at how much blue balls I have. Don't hurt me. You know what? Or harm. Why? Dang. No! No! Well, let me just work on that. I want to use this emote. I like this emote. Yo, look, I'm doing the obby. No, go. I need no. Cool. Oh yeah, I'm cool. Knock knock!
Who's there? The door!
The door! Door who? The door!
Knock knock!
Who's there?
Knock knock!
Who's there? The door!
Knock, knock! Who's there? The door! No! 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 Quick! How is that possible? Good, I kind of.
Most innovative companies are staying private longer, which means until now. Introducing VCX, the public ticker for private tech.
Hi, Mom. I'm recording a video right now. Come on, can I just go up there at least? I'm gonna go up there. Aww. No, no, it's flooding. Dude, quick, quick, quick! It's just my camera. No, no, no! What do I do? What do I do? Just go. Climb, climb, climb! Oh yeah! Yes, I gotta climb. Yes, I'm gonna survive it! Yeah, boy. I'm waiting. This can take a while. Don't climb on me. Stop climbing on me. Pepsi. Now I know what Pepsi is. Please! Thank you! Watch out! That's impossible! No! I need the button. Who is it? I hate you. That was the have it. Doink. Doink. Nothing happened to me. Yeah, I'm fat. What happened? Bro, that's fuck. No, can I spawn? Can I spawn now? Yeah. Oh! What's the ship that put the scene? Stop. Stop. I mean, ha. Sorry, but we might die, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. This bug. Yes. Just sit. Sit. Let's go. Find a hole in the wall. Yeah, I'll have some grapes. Dad, I'm gonna go get some grapes. Yummy. Go ahead. No! Okay, let me just die. Grapes.
Them pajamas feel good like the green ones.
Yeah. It's still. That was good. That was good. Good. Come on. that this video can get the same amount of likes and comments. If you watch this far, you're a legend, okay? Reach the top, and that's up by me, da. Let's feel G-shit up. And coin. Coin. And that's up at me, da. And that's up me, G-shit up. And it's up at me, Okay, yeah, let me just fall off. Wait, can I do this first try? I should do this first try.
Not as much. So we're gonna figure this out. So first practice part of the day is
No! That was the objective. Dang. Bro! How is that fair? You all just blocked it. Block. Bro, they kicked me in.
circles GG. Okay, I'm ready. Basically just did it in one attempt to practice. Okay, ready?
Scared me. It's never gonna get me here, right? Okay. Why are you coming? We can talk about this. Okay. I'm good. Okay, why are you following me? Stop following me. Close, guys. How did I just not die with that? How did I just not die with that? That was crazy. Go ahead. Can I just Bro, you moved to destroy me. Hi, Mom.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
You do it in the boy. Banana. Good. Get ready. Ha! Yeah, this video is over. Bye guys. See y'all later. Peace.